After I hung up, they sent me an email, and they had a nice letter, a little bio of who was going to come over here, how many children he had. He had 2 black labs, that got me right away, and a picture. And you never get a second chance to make a first impression, and I just thought that was wonderful.
We knew what we wanted. We listened to what he said. He answered all our questions, and we made the decision that day.
We didn't haggle over price.
And picking out the hardware was, even that was simple.
The whole process was more educational rather than like a sales pitch.
It felt personal. It didn't feel like your run-of-the-mill salesman simply trying to make another number.
And there wasn't anything tricky going on in that interview. It was just 2 people talking, or 3 people talking. And he seemed to be honest and gave us references. And
he took our needs, specific needs, into consideration, made sure we were familiar with the product and comfortable with it. Not just, we know we're getting Windows, but what we're expecting over the course of 5 years, 10 years. It was a very enjoyable process.
And he explained some of the options that we either needed or didn't need.
Right.
And it was very clear.
He knew the product.
He did.
Yeah.
And he liked the product. He felt like the product was a good product.
And he was nice and low-keyed, and he did not try to sell us anything we didn't want, and he gave us an estimate. He told us exactly when to expect them to be installed the week of. He was right on the nose on all of that.